Your calculation diagrams can be modified in two ways. You can change the flow rate of one branch, which will have an effect on all the branches involved. Or you can change the calculation variable, such as pressure loss or text formatting. In this case, only the selected text will be updated. Use CAD commands to copy, move, stretch or delete, or rework your network and then capture the whole of your diagram again. Note that when you add a new branch that is not yet included in the global calculation, it will appear in orange by default. Now, you can recapture the diagram using the network calculation command. As a rule of thumb, after any structural change to your network diagram, remember to recapture using the water network calculation command.